Okay, welcome to my another fusion tutorial. This time we are going to create a fidget spinner, which is this topic is Indonesian traditional weapon, which is they call it Kujang. Kujang is one of the traditional weapon from Jawa Barat, and then I try to create this. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to attach a canvas from the XY plane. We select the image and let me search. Okay, that's it. And then we can click OK. At the canvas here, we also can do the calibrate. I like to calibrate this point here as a center point to this end point here, and then I would like to use 50 as a length, and then I also want to edit if we like to scale, like say that I want to scale this position here at a Y point 1.3, so they will scale at only at the one axis, and I also can do this opacity to get clearer if I would like to address the position, the transparency. And I also want to position this Kujang here, and I just drag it to the center point here. So the center point here is a represent of the center point of the fidget spinner. Then I create a circle diameter to this sketch here. I will use 22 as a inner diameter, outer diameter for the bearing, and I offset it with 3mm as a line offset. Okay, and then I begin to trace out this using spline. First, I would like to start from here, and then we can trace down this position all the way along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can give as many as you like for the point, control point. Yeah. The more you put the control point, and then the more the precision the spline would be. I will add this hole here later on, after I finish this overall body, outer body. Then I add this one. I am not going to detail this shape, so because this fidget spinner I plan to create a physical prototype using the 3D printer, so I don't want to have a lot of shape here. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough, and then I can stop sketch and I turn off the canvas, and then I create this first body first. This one, and this one. Use the extrude command, 4mm. Okay, and then I would like this shape here is going to be have a draft angle, so I click a draft angle, I put here as a plane, and the outer ring as a face for the angle. I use 15 or maybe 10. Yeah, I use 10 for the angle, and also use this extrude command for this particular spinner. Okay, I just want to create this outer body, so I also use this kind of extrusion. Now I want to extrude upward with the I don't think I like to use a 3.5 is enough, and then I'm using minus 10 as a creation, and I add this profile. Okay, add this profile, and then I use a new body. Okay, yeah, that's it. I think it's enough. I click OK. Okay, after that, I like to duplicate this using create mirror. This body here, I mirror to the Z minus position, and as well as this blade here using mirror object. And I also use this one as a position. Okay. Okay, that's it. This is the entire shape of the body. But oh yeah, I forgot for one thing here, that this they have a slightly curved angle here, so I want to create this sketch here. I add one more spline at the position here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just give along this shape for the position here. Okay, I think it's enough. And then with this sketch, these sketches I like to address a construction plane along a path, and I pick this one as a path, put at the end of the line or a spline, and then I create sketch here. I just create a sketch over here, yeah, using the angle maybe 25. Let's give a try. And then I create this using a sweep this one, and the path is this one. Okay, you can use cut, and then you slightly take the position here. I think it's enough for the particular the body will intersect itself, so the body cannot intersect itself. So maybe I reduce the shape here, I leave it over there, and then I click OK. And I like to just slightly position it. Okay, maybe the angle 25, maybe 30. I like to put this angle, I will give the additional angle, maybe 32. Okay. Okay. 32 would be not enough. 31. Let's try at 31. Okay, and then I continue this sweep along the path. Hopefully it's not self-intersection. Oh, yeah, self-intersection position here. Yeah, cannot create the sweep. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that, and then I would like to edit this sketch over there. So I give this a little bit shape for here to address this error. Hopefully it will be succeed. Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough. So the point is for the sweep is you cannot do the self-intersection profile here. Okay, as I forget to give this shape, so I can use this kind of sweep to reposition it like this here. Okay, maybe I just delete this mirror, and then after that after this position is good enough, and then I can do this mirror line here, mirror, this one, and then mirror plane will be this one, and I hit OK. Okay, yeah, this is what I like. And then I use this modifier to, if we look here, we have a one body, body 3 and body 2. I like to combine all those body here, this one and this one. I join, and then I also join this one with this one. I join, and then the last I will join this. Let me put this join later on. I want to create the pattern first. This body, I create this pattern. Object is here, this one. Okay, we can use more quantity, but I like to use it too. Okay. And I also want to combine this center with this one and this one. Hit OK. Okay, now let's see. We are using the fillet button to create this fillet. Maybe 8. Yeah, I think 8 would be very good enough. And then I use this fillet here. Also use 8. Or maybe it's too large. 5. How about 5? Okay, I think 3 or 4. 4.5. Let's try 4.5. Oh, I think 4 would be better. 4 would be better. Okay. Let's give a try to keep this a little fillet here, 2.5. I think it's okay. and then I use this one as a different fillet 5. Yeah, okay, it's working. Okay, yeah, let's try the other side. Yeah, fillet, this one is 2.5, and then I repeat again for this one using 5. Okay, it's working. Nice. Okay, let's do the other side of this position here. I use this one as a fillet 1, 2 using 2.5. Okay, and I also use this one with edge and this edge using 5 now. Okay, 4. Yeah, 4 will be good. And then this one is 2.5. Then let's hit OK and then repeat one more. 5. Okay, let's do the other side. This one using 2.5. Then I repeat here with the 5. Okay, it's blend perfectly. Okay, right now I want to address the bearing here. In the Fusion, we can insert a manufacture part. We just click the manufacture part, and then they are entering authorized Fusion part community, which is we can search for the bearing in here. First of all, you have to log in using your authorized Fusion account. NTN, I like to use an NTN bearing to put that okay, here I like to NTN Corporation, and yeah, I prefer to the NTN open type bearing, deep groove ball bearing. Yeah, I choose this one, deep groove ball bearing with the open type. And then I just choose from the diameter. I use 22 for the diameter. Okay, we can update the preview. Okay, this is the bearing number 6900, and then we just click the to authorized Fusion 360. Wait for the object, so we can look, we can rotate this particular 3D model, and we can zoom, and also we just click to the authorized Fusion 360. Allow, and then this bearing is considered as a sub-assembly here, and we would like to, because this is the sub-assembly, so the ball bearing and outer inner ring is separately, and I use this rigid group to group all those all together. Okay, and then I use assembly. I use a shift command to position my center joint assembly, and also this one also use as a center here. Okay, and then I click OK. So the bearing will be placed nicely at the center, and I just for the additional, I use a chamfer here and also a chamfer here using 1 millimeter for the chamfer. So lastly, we can also add additional fillet to give a nice looking here. Also this one, using 1mm, one is enough or not? I think one is too large. Use 0.5. Okay, and you can add fillet as many as you like for those sharp edges, to eliminate those sharp edges. Here, and here 0.5. Okay, I think it will be enough. And then lastly, we can go to the rendering environment to render this particular fidget spinner. Okay, we can also measure the overall position or overall length of this fidget spinner here to here. 100 exactly, 100.2. I think 100 is quite handy for the fidget spinner. And then we move to the rendering environment. Okay, I am using the default setting for this rendering environment, and then I just click in canvas render to create a rendered image for this fidget spinner. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and then you can try it by yourself, and then you can leave a comment down below if you would like to ask some anything you would like to ask, and I'm very happy to answer it. Thank you.